Do you have the hiccups?
Yeah.
How do you make hiccups go away?
Boring.
Boring. Take a deep breath and hold your breath. That'll make them go away.
Okay.
Hold your breath. Are you still hiccuping? Huh. I think we could scare them out of you. Yeah? Let's see. Daddy, can you come scare the hiccups out of Lily, please? Okay. Dang hiccups, they just won't go away, huh? Okay, you can stop holding your breath. Take a deep breath. Go. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
Deep breath.
Deep breath. That didn't work, did it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you're not hiccuping anymore? Yeah. Maybe if you jump up and down, they'll go away.
Go away.
Yeah, try it. Jump up and down.
Jumping it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you going to try it?
No.
You like having the hiccups? You're silly. Try counting to 10. Maybe they'll go away.
10?
Yeah, count to 10.
You can't.
Yes, you can.
You can't.
Yes, you can. What's this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,
7.
7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
That's awesome. Alright, I love you.